ito po ay may 68 micronutrients. Yes, how much ang one box? It's 1,000 pesos po for 10 sachets, okay? And then, ito po ay may 17 types of minerals. Meron po itong 16 types of vitamins, 17 types of enzymes. Ito po ay napakaganda para sa ating bone health dahil meron po itong calcium. Ang calcium ng barley ay mas malakas pa po or mas mataas pa, 11 times stronger than the calcium in milk. Okay, so it's that good. Ito po ay maganda rin po dahil anti-cancer po ang barley, okay? Napakataas po ng fiber content niya. So, it's very good for colon cleansing. Pwede po ba ang barley sa may goiter? Perfect po ang barley sa may goiter. Okay. And it also gives you a youthful beauty and energy dahil meron po itong vitamin C and meron po itong